How to recover a hacked TikTok account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the processing in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type TikTok. Now once you're done, simply tap on source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on TikTok. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Again repeat the same process and tap on sign up on this page. Now tap on the info icon or question mark at the top left corner. Now wait for some time and click on recover your account. Now enter your email address or phone number and tap on search. Now search for your account and then you will be asked to enter the email address and then verify the code, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.